My name is Habut Dertamikyan. I learned about this event 4 days ago. And when I texted Ara that I'll do my best to attend, because I was having guests at my home at 3:30, so I called them. I told, can you make it till 5:30? I want to attend an important event in Glendale Library. And so then 2 days ago, Ara called me, says, can you be the moderator? And I said, Ara, I don't know, I don't have a copy of the book, so at least I would like to have it. So he, Thursday afternoon, he sends me in an email the book. So I had to sit until after midnight to go. I couldn't put the book down because there were so many interesting things in there. The reason I'm saying this, that I had to put my schedule aside and attend this, because of one name, Shahan Natali. Since my teenage years, I've been obsessed, you can say, with this name. I've read his books, several, and I do have it in my library also, several of his books, and I admire his courage, audacity, investigative mind, his analysis, you name it. He's a peculiar figure in Armenian history. So, and in the past few years, we've been seeing a lot of books coming, being published about Solomon Tehlirian. Even his memoirs were translated into English. And I know that, everybody has a viewpoint about the execution of Talat Pasha. And I also know that the memoirs of Solomon Tehlirian were doctored by colleagues, ex-colleagues of Shahan Natali. So when Ara told me that several pages of his Shahan Natali's diary will be in this book, so I said, okay, let's hear it from the person. Because, yes, Solomon Tehlirian pulled the trigger, but it took so much until that moment. And the only person who really is the mastermind of that is Shahan Natali. So that's why it's very important to hear from him, from his diary. Fortunately, he has kept a good amount of diary, and so we are here today for this launching of the book. And why today? The whole thing was arranged very quickly, because today is the day that Talat Pasha was executed. So that makes it more important for us to have this session here. Well, I will not go through the book. I'll leave it to you, but it's very interesting facts in there, not only from Shahan Natali's diaries, but also other, besides Solomon Tehlirian's, besides the execution of Talat, there are other topics in the book also that are very interesting, that give you a background, especially about Shahan Natali.